Good day. My name is Irubu Michael Vasco, and I'm a 35 years old Nigerian living in Lagos. I studied petroleum engineering at the Federal University of Technology Owerri here in Nigeria. I have worked with great companies like Petrofields Limited, where I worked as an instrumentation engineer, and I've also worked with ExxonMobil. I handled several roles in ExxonMobil. I worked as an analyst with the procurement team. I also work with the marine team as an interface manager. And currently I'm with an aviation company where I'm currently working as a business development officer. So that's a brief thing about me. I'm gifted with numbers. I'm a people's person. I know how to communicate and relate with people very well. I'm a team player. And yes, if given this remote role, I promise to put my best to ensuring that I not just only deliver what is expected, but deliver above your expectation. Okay, I really would appreciate you giving an opportunity. Thank you so much. Have a great one.